What's up, YouTube world? Gonna get this bike check popping. Keep it short. So, this is my new bike over here. Pretty clean. Got the BSD WZA V3 Trans Red 20.6 top tube. Love it. Gussets for strength. Them nice welds in there. 9 standover, short back end, 75 head tube angle. Shadow captive forks with a 26 offset on there right now. Hella clean. Love them. They're so amazing. Demolition headset. Eclat Nathan Williams 49mm stem. Top load. Super clean. That locking system right there, it's pretty damn smart. Love it. Bars, Kink Solstice, Solace, not Solstice, Solace, 8.65 high, 28 wide. Love them. Pretty good, pretty strong. Primo boy grips, super grippy, super grippy, super grippy, super grippy, super grippy. Love them. Them kink bar ends. There we go. There's some quality. Thank God. Stupid iPhone. Seat. BSD beverage, Tony Maloof signature. That leather in there is on point. Seat post, Primo. Bottom bracket, Demolition. S&M L7 spline drive, sprocket, 28 tooth for that 28.9 gearing. Like it. Primo, the profile cranks, 165 millimeters, pretty short. They're spline drive cranks. Left side drive? Yeah, left side drive. Oh, Primo Stance PCs. Them knurls, them pins. They're so great. Love them. Chain. Shadow Interlock. Colt butter pegs. Got a set of 4 on there. I would get them because they come with an extra sleeve, and the extra sleeve is always dope because that means you don't have to buy one once you grind them down. Wheels, got a Primo Remix cassette hub on there, left side drive. Primo 7 Series rim, some spoke. Primo 7 Series rim up in the front with the Primo N4FL hub, the hub guards on there. Super nice, spins well, love it. What else have we got on this ride right here? Oh, yeah, Chase to Heart tires, 2.35 size, gum with the black wall. Like them, super nice. Love the color. Tread super grippy. They're pretty wide tires. Just to show you how they fit in on the back end here. This is pretty damn close to slammed on this frame right here. I tried to get my back end as close to possible as I can. So this is pretty much slammed, and you know, there's not a lot of room in there, so they're pretty big tires. But this frame fits them great. Super wide rear end. Same aspect from the front. They're pretty big tires, but got a little more wiggle room, of course, up here with the forks. Yeah, man. This is my new bike, my new Steve's, my new ride. I love it. Makes me happy. It's got good stickers on there. BSD frame. Bunch of Demolition profile Eclat. One can never have too many Eclat stickers, so got some Eclat ones over here and over here as well. Came with the stem. And yeah. Oh yeah. Hub guards back here. 2 drive side Primo hub guards. Slide on your back end pretty well though. So yeah, they're great. So cool. First WZA V3 on YouTube, I'm pretty sure. So hopefully you'll check this frame out, because now you've actually seen it sort of in person. Yep, I love my bike. Peace.